In your Symbaloo Pro account, you can customize the logo that appears in the top left corner of your workspace. To do this, go to Workspace Settings and click on Logo Customization. From here, you can click the green button that says Upload a new logo, and you'll be given three options. You can upload a logo from your computer, you can link to a logo if you have a web address that links to the image, or you can simply generate a logo by typing in whatever text you'd like here. For this example, I'll go ahead and upload a logo that I've had prepared. Click the green upload button, and you'll see that the logo is updated in the top left corner of your screen. When we return to our workspace, we'll see our new logo.